All right, back we go. It is March 27th, Sunday, March Stock Madness. Going over some of these IPOs. HNST, Honest Company Incorporated. I think Jessica Alba, does she own this company? Solely. I'm not sure. She has partners, but this is, she's part of that company at least. So this is the Honest Company. Came about here with the candlestick May 5th, 2021. Got as high as 23.88. So this stock came about, another recent IPO, came back down, bounced to 20, down, then had a gap down all the way to this 907 level. It made a nice little run back to 12 almost, and then came back in this tight channel. Tried to break here 10, but it really sucked in longs, and they get stuck. And look at this channel, very tight. Trend line down, the upper trend line coming down right here on this last move. You can see right here, got over 6 a little bit, 618, then a big gap down. And you can see it was overbought. And look at this volume here. You have 23.4 million. That's the most I've seen. And it's actually the highest stock stochastics we've ever seen too. So it's very overbought, and then they push it down really hard. So this is a major trend down. The stock was in 24. It's at 474. Let's take a look. 549 million market cap. Institutions own 73.6%. So that's good. If you're long this stock, because institutions, they push up stocks, down stocks, but right now it's definitely down. 83 million float. Let's take a look. So, manufacturer sells baby, personal, and beauty care products. It offers products in areas of diapers, bath, body, beauty, cleaning gifts, kids, and clothing. It was incorporated 2012, headquartered in Los Angeles, California. Let's take a look. Any news in this? To be brutally honest, this is March 25th. I'm reading FinViz news. Jessica Alba founded Honest Company. It's not looking pretty. The Street.com. But Honest Company plunged 30% at the open today. Falls in Q4 earnings loss. So that's probably the big thing. Shares declined 28%. Disappointing outlook. That's not good at all. Let's take a look at the weekly. So the weekly, look at this downtrend. 24. You have that streamline down. This is like going down a mountain. You have the 20 EMA over 13 EMA. This is clearly bearish. You want that reverse if you're long. So every time it comes up and hits that, it's going to go down because you need a reverse. It can't go through unless your 13 EMA is reversed on top. And that's a big bearish candle. That is oversold, but it's continued oversold. Monthly, look at this. Oh my God, it's a disaster. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 red candles in a row. So this is not a time to jump in. Quarterly, it's even worse. They pushed it back up from 425. You have a gap above now. You could come back to this trend line. That's going to be your goal here, 556 if you're long. And if you're short at 425 line, it's looking like it's headed that way. On the 5-minute chart, and this must have been the earnings release. And it came down. Look at that, come down hard. I had a triple bottom at 420. It's a nice bounce if you caught this. You're looking at this 420 all the way to 485. It's 65 cents. So this is where it stands. Overall, this chart is looking really bad. Even on the weekly, the monthly, you don't have any close green. And you're just playing right now. You're going to play that trend line if you're long. You stop. You don't want this really to go below that at 475, 450. And you have a tail now. You have an all-time low, 420. This is looking really ugly at this point. So this is HNST, the Honest Company. It's honestly looking terrible, horrible. We'll see how low this goes. Now, if this goes even lower, in a few weeks, months, this is like 2, 1. This is going to be a good buy. $1 eventually. Stocks like this will be bought out. It's my longer term thesis on this, could be bought out. I don't know all the debt load and all that stuff. I'm not looking at all the financials exactly, but you could have a bigger company buy this out. and then you can get a big bounce in that. We'll see what happens in this. I think this is going lower though for the foreseeable future. And the bounces you plan up, but play them, and then you play the bounces, and they're gonna bounce and go down. That's what it looks like right now. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Game and Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button. Check out any links below. Check out my social media if you want to connect. When I do this video, when I comment on this stock, leave any comments on this stock. If you're in the stock, swing trading, long, your thoughts on this stock. It's always good to have feedback. That's it. We're out for now. Peace.